Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Porsche 911. First, begin by researching the many distinct 911 models available, from the Carrera to the Turbo, to find your perfect fit. Next, establish a clear budget, accounting for both the purchase price and ongoing expenses like insurance and maintenance. Finally, investigate various financing solutions, such as traditional loans or flexible leasing arrangements, to make your dream car a reality. Once you know what you want, it is time to find it. Authorized Porsche dealerships offer new models and certified pre-owned options, often with warranties. Independent luxury car dealerships also provide a wide selection, sometimes at competitive prices. For a broader range, including unique or classic models, explore online marketplaces and dedicated enthusiast forums where private sellers list their vehicles. Always verify seller credibility. Before finalizing any purchase, a pre-purchase inspection by a certified Porsche mechanic is crucial. This can uncover potential issues, saving you thousands of dollars later. Carefully review the car's complete service history and any accident reports to understand its past. Use this information, along with current market values, to confidently negotiate the best possible price. Do not rush this vital step. Congratulations on your new Porsche 911. Remember that proper maintenance is key to its longevity and performance. Be aware of the recommended service intervals, typically every 10,000 miles or 12 months, and budget for these costs. Secure comprehensive insurance coverage, as high-performance cars require specialized policies. Finally, consider an extended warranty for added protection and peace of mind over many years of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.